So that didn't take long. Maybe 20 minutes at tops. And people used to go, Eric, what are you going to do with a trailer that small? This trailer fits a lot. And it's all strapped down, ready to go. And yeah. And so I don't really have a whole heck of a lot going on, but yeah, so I'm going to go take this to the dump. Gonna go get I might go to Wawa, get something to eat, because I haven't eaten yet today. But yeah, so they call it a convenience center in our town. Or actually it's not our town, it's our county. But yet they're only open Wednesdays and Saturdays from 8 to 3. I'm like, you keep using that word convenience. I don't think you really know what that means. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead, get on this, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I want to make a couple things clear here. I've had a few comments, mainly on Madame Roy's live streams, like somebody will tag me, hey, what do you think of this? Hey, what do you think of that? When it comes to the human malware problem, I don't really think about it. I go about my life like normal. My trust is in Yahweh and Yeshua, not in the government and not in the media. I have this here. This isn't my normal one. This one's an NIV, I think. Yeah, NIV. I don't normally read the NIV, but I have my other one at work, and I don't feel like going there to get it, especially just for this little bit here. But Matthew 8:23 through 27. This is when Jesus, or Yeshua, I'll read as Jesus in this one, calms the storm. It says, 23. Then he got onto the boat with his disciples followed him. Suddenly, a ferocious storm came up on the lake, so that the waves swept over the boat, but Jesus was sleeping. The disciples woke him down, saying, Lord, save us, we're going to drown. Now, one of the things you have to realize on this is these guys are seasoned fishermen. These disciples, this wasn't their first time on a boat. They've been through this. And he replied, "You have little faith, why are you so afraid?" Then he got up and rebuked the winds and the waves, and it was completely calm. The men were amazed and asked, "What kind of man is this? Even the winds and waves obey him." The Bible says don't worry about it. So you know what I'm not going to do? I'm not going to worry about it. I'm not going into a panic. I went to ShopRite the other day. There were people clearly panicking, but they had plenty of food. They had plenty of everything. ShopRite is a local chain here of grocery stores. Like they're actually supermarkets. So I don't know if you have them where you're at. Actually, when I mentioned that in one of Madame Roy's videos, he said, man, I haven't heard that name in a while. So yeah, so it must be like a regional thing. But people are in a panic. They just need to stop and pray. It's in 1 Colossians where it says, if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and change from their wicked ways. This is the key. I will hear from my Father, and I will heal their land. The Bible tells us what we need to do about this. If Yeshua is the same today, yesterday, and forever, he is still healing, he is still calming the storm, and he is still saving us. If we believe that, then we need to act like we believe it. And that's really all I have to say on that. So like a reasonable citizen, I went ahead and I checked the website of the landfill where I'm going. And it turns out they're fully open. And I get here, they're fully open. Except for they go, oh, we're only accepting debit cards right now. They've actually made little plexiglass box to put the card reader in, so that they don't have to handle cash. Because I had cash ready to go for this. Yeah, so like right before, and you know, they don't say anything about that on the website. It's that they're only accepting credit. I'm like, you know, all right. So I didn't really have a huge amount of money on my debit card. So I went ahead and I saved a couple items just because, you know, I didn't know if I had enough on there. They won't tell me how much, you know, that you're paying. So I saved that pallet, and I saved that piece of door that I had made. So I'm going to go ahead and probably just reuse that for something else in the future. But I was just like, damn, you know, I had cash ready to go, and then you guys just don't even accept it. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to so what I think I'm gonna do is go ahead and go to the DMV and take care of something. I'm doing 55 in a 50, and I have a box truck that is just flying up on me. I don't know if you can see them over my shoulder. So I'm going over the speed limit right now. You know, I mean, these backcountry roads, I mean, you never know what somebody's going to do. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pause this now. I'm probably going to go to the DMV, try to take care of some legal issues with the trailer, which I probably should have done long before yeah, put it in service, because I've been using it a lot lately. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, so I went to the DMV, like, hey, let me take care of this legal issue. Right on the doors, the DMV is closed in response to the human malware situation. And that's kind of annoying. But that has a no outlet. Oh, that's the back of the fire hall. I'm trying to remember how to get the heck out of here, because the DMV is not in an area I particularly like to be. But yeah, so that's, well, that, you know, I'm just trying to take care of some, you know, some little issues here and there, and, you know, it's all becoming problems. I need to stop at my storage unit, so I'm going to go up there and pick up a tool so I can do some of the rest of the work I wanted to do today. Actually, I could probably just do all the work up there. I have all the cameras and stuff, so I might just go ahead and do that up there. But the only thing that sucks is I would like to elevate the truck or elevate the trailer, which I don't have a way to do there, but I think I can handle it without it. But yeah, I'll actually probably put that in today's vlog. I'll probably just go ahead and do that and do that. I don't really have a whole heck of a lot I want to do. Although right now my my throat's kind of being annoying, so I don't have a whole lot of water. Oh yeah, I can always stop at Wawa. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably stop at Wawa and get something, but I'm going to cut this short because I want to make a, I want to set a map to go there, because I don't know the best way to get from here to there, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So because I am tired and hungry as frig, it is 12:20. I've already dropped off what I needed to drop off at the storage unit, got the tools I needed, and I am hungry. So I took the wrong exit coming off of I-295 and discovered there is a brand new Tractor Supply, not even a month old. Not far from my house, about 10 miles. I'm kind of right between two of them. So I'm going to go check this out. I don't think I'm going to do any filming in there because they look to be busy. But, oh my God, a new Tractor Supply. Like, that's exciting to me. Hey, I see a wood chipper. I know somebody needs one. But yeah, I love Tractor Supply. So anyway, I'm going to go check it out. If you can't tell, I'm excited. Alright, so I did stop in there. I got a couple things. I have two mowers that need J19s right now, so I got the NGK equivalents because I was here. This 24mm socket hopefully will be used in a video on Sunday. And you know, one thing I can't stand is a thief. So I brought it to, because the manager was there, and I'm like, hey, I pointed this out to him, and he asked me if I wanted them. I'm like, yeah, I mean, not for free or anything. And he said, no, I mean, he says, I'll give them. They were normally $16.99, and he gave them to me for $10. That's $5 a socket. And it's okay. So, but it actually has the socket size that I need, which is the 13/16. I need that one the most with lawnmower stuff. But yeah, so somebody stole the 5/8 socket off of here because it has the 5/8. Yeah, 5/8, 3/4, and 13/16. 3/4 is the one for the CJ8. And then I also got a bottle of Coke because I'm kind of needing some caffeine right now. But dude, I am like ultra super excited that we have this new Tractor Supply. Apparently they opened in December. My mother told me last month. I don't know. I don't go this way often, but man, this is like super convenient for me. So I'm going to go about my day, and I will see what else the day brings. Oh, excuse me. So nothing else happened today. It's like, what, 4 o'clock or so. I thought more would go on, but nothing did. I keep forgetting to film endings, so I came out here simply just to do that. And like, I didn't even bother shutting the door of the truck. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna piece this together, see what's salvageable. And thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.